My apologies to everyone. The following video clip, which appeared in my last video at 3 minutes 45 seconds in, is bogus. This means also that the part of the conversation martial law and I had speculating about the cause of the blast was based on false information. This amateur video of a huge explosion in Wuhan province was uploaded to Facebook. It looks like a fire and then an explosion. Kudos to the subscriber who sent the following text, alerting me to this mistake. This is what's great about an interactive community of friends who are truth seekers. 100 years of mainstream media lies are enough, and when we make a mistake, we are not so full of ourselves that we can't admit we're all human and make mistakes, and don't hesitate to make a correction. Try this with CNN. Good luck. The text arrived at 47 minutes after midnight last night. It reads, Dave, just did a search for that Wuhan explosion video. Turns out that it's the huge explosion from 2015 in another city. If you will do a search, you should find that, and I do remember a huge nighttime explosion back about that time, and video was removed by the poster. Just thought you should know. I believe all of this confusion is orchestrated by the deep state. I'm 100% certain that there are hordes of Soros-paid trolls whose sole purpose is to discredit alternative media so that the propagandists can take over completely. We are already being robbed of our hard work by non-monetization, and the companies that use taxpayer-funded infrastructure are committing election tampering and treason. Not to worry, though. There are 10,000 times more patriots than there are traitors and traitor sympathizers. Donald Trump will win the 2020 election in a landslide. This is the demon rat's last gasp of breath before the death rattle. When Rudy Giuliani drops the mother of all bombs, there will be no way to weasel out. Please subscribe to our backup channels. Net4Truth USA 2 Patriot channel, BitChute.com/net4Truth USA, and drop.space/ Net4Truth USA. We fly so close to the target, we are on our 5th fighter jet. We will be relentless and persistent until the enemies of freedom are defeated. You can support this channel by using the links in the description, but for a $100 donation, I will personally send you a autographed hardcover special edition copy of Land of Childhood's Fears. Also, visit my bookstore at lulu.com/net4truth USA. If you are viewing this video on BitChute, you can use the links in the description to support us, or simply click the green $ dot on our video to support this channel. Thank you. Links are in the description section.